Right guys, we have this beautiful 8Y RS3 in for some servicing today. These are getting to the age now where we're seeing them more and more for interim servicing, and this one in particular is actually in for some of the drivetrain component servicing. So it's having the DSG gearbox service, and on this particular one it doesn't have a Haldex system like the previous model. It's got what they call a splitter torque differential, so it has two separate sort of clutch systems and a gear. So obviously the gearbox for the diff in the middle. So you've got the two oils that are changed for the clutch and the diff, and then obviously your oil and filter change on your DSG as well. So for this one, obviously we are part of the Volkswagen independent workshop scheme, so we have access to all the latest tools, all the latest information, and we can update any sort of online service schedules or anything like that. So you get a better than dealer level experience with us. So yeah, all things are done with OEM equivalent parts or genuine parts, depending on on the actual component itself and what's available. So James is going to carry out the work. For this one, it's not like coming in, getting a tune, your car's going to feel completely different. You might see little things sorted during servicing, but generally it's just maintenance to help all these components on the vehicle just live that little bit longer. So let's get to it.
So massive shout out to the guys and girls at Awesome. Been coming here for 20 years now. This is my 2022 Audi RS3 Vorsprung edition. It's a high mileage dealer, it's done 38,000 miles now. But these guys have had it since new. It's never actually been to an Audi dealership for servicing. They've literally taken it from new straight for its current state. It's just been in for an entire drivetrain service. And great price, great service. Main dealer, in fact better than main dealer service, with a personal touch. Tell me somewhere else you can sit and have a coffee and a laugh whilst getting the best service in the industry.